the wonderful Kenna plant with all the wonderful flowers. And due to the rains, they have become so lush green. So you can easily grow these Kennas at your home and enjoy the beauty of these flowers. This is the orange and red colored shaded Kenna leaves. You can see it looks so beautiful. See these flowers. There are 3 or 4 petals are there in the flower, and you can see it appears like this. It appears as this way, and it looks so beautiful. The Kenna, you don't have to grow and take care much about it, because once you grow Kenna, it will come out on its own, because it grows laterally on the ground. It spreads fast. Its roots will grow under the ground and new plants will come. For its proper care, you should remove these old flowers which have come. You can remove that, and then these Kenna flowers look so beautiful, but only thing is it will grow in a large area, so you'll have to maintain it timely, and you will have to segregate one particular area for this Kenna growth. So enjoy growing Kenna at your home and stay tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Kenna plants come up together like this in bunches. Once they start growing, they spread in the ground by layering. It's just like the banana plant, it will spread, but once it starts flowering, it looks so beautiful. You can grow them in your gardens in one area. Orange Kenna flowers, orange and yellow Kenna flowers look so beautiful in the green surroundings. So grow these Kenna plants and enjoy their beauty. These are Kenna flowers of different types, different colors. You can see here Kenna flowers of different colors, like yellow is there, red, orange, and so many colored Kennas are visible here. So we will study about the flower, that is the Kenna flower, and how are its various parts of the flower. So you can see this Kenna flower has got about 4 petals. Then at the underside, let's see, these may be the sepals which are also colored here. They are not of green color, and there are some structures coming out from the bottom of the flower like this. These are 3 in number, so these can be the sepals. Then let's go to androecium and gynoecium part. So this is the androecium part, that is thick one. This part is androecium. It is having stigma, style, and ovary at the bottom, and there is a small petal here. This one is a small petal with this anther attached to it. So there is a very, very special structure of this flower of Kenna. So these flowers, they come in bunches together, like we can see here. The Kenna flowers have come together in bunches. So like this we can understand these Kenna flowers and know the beauty of the flowers. The red petals, they look so beautiful of the flower. Let's see with other colored Kennas how they look. This is a pink colored Kenna. Here also you can see, as I told before, it has got 3 to 4 petals. There is a small petal inside it. petal like structure to which the anther is attached, and here you can see this is the female part with stigma style, and at the bottom there is ovary, and here again you have got these sepals in this leaf like folded part, and at the bottom also there is some pink colored sepal like part is there. So these canna flowers have a unique structure. Then its buds, they come out like this, and this is the pedicel. Individual flower has its own small pedicel, and these all flowers come together, join at one place, and then this is the structure which attaches it to the stem, and this is the bud. So like this we can understand the canna flower. This is a bunch of orange flowers of canna. They look so beautiful. They have got 4 petals again, you can see, and this is small petal like part to which the anther is attached here, and you can see this is the stigma style or ovary part in the center of the flower, and at the sides you can see these are the sepal like parts which are needle like and folded, and here also there is a colored sepal like part. All these flowers are joined together at one joint here, which is attached to the stem like this. So it looks beautiful. These are yellow canna flowers. They are having yellow with some spots of orange, so they look beautiful. And here you can see there are 3 sepals, and there is one small sepal inside. And again you can see these structures, that is, this seems to be the anther, and this seems to be the stigma style and ovary part, and these small thin structures which you can see here, they appear to be the sepal part. At the bottom there is a leaf like part, or these may be petals which are folded. In all the flowers 3 or 4 petals like this are folded, and at the bottom there is a light colored sepal here, leaf like, and then here it seems to be the ovary of the flower, and all the flowers are joined together at a joint here. This small, each petal is not having its own pedicel, but all of these are joined together, and then here comes a new bud, and you can see leaves of canna are elongated. So these canna flowers are wonderful structures. Canna plants have to be removed in timely like this, so that their growth occurs properly. Otherwise they will come in bundles together and become too much in one area, as you can see here. Around looks so green. The plants are having, leaves are having all water on them, and they appear so green, as you can see here. So let's enjoy the beauty of rain, thunder and lightning, and let's stay tuned to our own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel.